highs 106 to 112. A strong thunderstorm will impact Gila and Pinal counties through 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 5:20 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm 8 miles southeast of Superior, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Strong, gusty winds will be capable of producing areas of blowing dust with reduced visibilities down below 5 miles hazard, wind gusts of 50 to 55 miles per hour and half-inch hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Globe, Superior, Miami, Top of the World, Claypool, Central Heights, Midland City, and Inspiration. This includes the following highways: US Highway 60 between mile markers 225 and 245, and near mile marker 251. Arizona Route 70 between mile markers 253 and 258. Arizona Route 77 between mile markers 153 and 170. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. Excessive heat warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a dust advisory for Maricopa County in south-central Arizona, Pinal County in southeastern Arizona, until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 5:53 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a wall of dust was along the line extending from Gold Canyon to near Phoenix Mesa Gateway Airport to Chandler Heights to near Blackwater, moving northwest at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, less than 1 mile visibility with strong wind in excess of 40 miles per hour. Source, Doppler radar. Impact, hazardous travel. This includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 10 between mile markers 155 and 157, in between mile markers 164 and 174. US Highway 60 between mile markers 173 and 214. Arizona Route 87 between mile markers 139 and 180. Locations impacted include Mesa, Chandler, Gilbert, Tempe, Apache Junction, Gold Canyon, Sun Lakes, East Mesa, Queen Creek, Tempe Marketplace, Falcon Field Airport, Salt River Indian Community, Usuri Mountain Park, Santan Village Mall, and Santan Valley. Blowing dust brings reduced visibility, leading to dangerous driving conditions. If driving, avoid blowing dust if possible. If caught in dense blowing dust, pull off the road, turn off your lights and keep your foot off the brake. Motorists should not drive into an area of blowing dust. Pull aside, stay alive. You're listening to Sunrise tomorrow is at 5:19 a.m. A strong thunderstorm will impact Gila and Pinal counties through 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 6:05 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Globe, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Globe, San Carlos, Miami, Cutter, Central Heights, Midland City, Claypool, and Inspiration. This includes the following highways: US Highway 60 between mile markers 241 and 262. Arizona Route 70 between mile markers 253 and 271. Arizona Route 77 between mile markers 157 and 170. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. Excessive heat warning remains. A strong thunderstorm will impact Maricopa and Pinal counties through 7:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 6:58 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Gold Canyon, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Strong, gusty winds will be capable of producing areas of blowing dust with reduced visibilities down to under 3 miles. Hazard, wind gusts of 50 to 55 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Apache Junction, Gold Canyon, Queen Creek, Florence Junction, Queen Valley, Superstition Mountains, Gold Camp, Kings Ranch, Lost Dutchman State Park, and Goldfield. This includes the following highways: US Highway 60 between mile markers 195 and 214. Arizona Route 79 between mile markers 147 and 150. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Excessive heat warning, chance of rain 40%. Sunday night, partly cloudy. National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Maricopa County in south central Arizona, Pinal County in southeastern Arizona, until 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 7:09 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Gold Canyon, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Apache Junction, Gold Canyon, Queen Creek, Florence Junction, Queen Valley, Superstition Mountains, Gold Camp, Kings Ranch, Lost Dutchman State Park, and Goldfield. This includes the following highways: US Highway 60 between mile markers 197 and 214. Arizona Route 79 between mile markers 147 and 150. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties in Arizona: Maricopa and Pinal. The current time is 7. Rise tomorrow is at 5:19 a.m. Flood advisory in effect until 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Saturday. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? A portion of southeast Arizona, including the following county: Pinal. When? Until 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Saturday. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Rises in small streams and normally dry arroyos. Ponding of water in urban or other areas is occurring or is imminent. Additional details: at 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Between 0.5 and 0.75 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Queen Valley. http://wweather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Excessive heat warning will expire at 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this evening. The threat has ended. You're listening to Center. The following is a special weather statement for the Payson listening area. Strong thunderstorms will impact Gila and Coconino counties through 8:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 8:02 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar was tracking a cluster of strong thunderstorms over Willow Springs Canyon Lake, or near Forest Lakes, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 40 miles an hour, heavy rain and half-inch hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor hail damage to vegetation is possible. Minor flooding possible. Locations impacted include Forest Lakes, Crook CG, Willow Springs Canyon Lake, Woods Canyon Lake, Colcord Ridge CG, Muggy Owen CG, Christopher Creek, Sinkhole CG, Hunter Creek, Chevelon Canyon Lake, Forest Road 169's Campground, Forest Road 195 Campground, Rim Campground, Woods Canyon Lake Campground, and Crook Campground. This includes State Route 260 between mile markers 272 and 290. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. The official NOAA National Weather Service. The following is a flood advisory for the Payson listening area. Flood advisory in effect until 11:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this evening. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? Portions of east central and north central Arizona, including the following counties: in east central Arizona, Gila. In north central Arizona, Coconino. When? Until 11:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Impacts: minor flooding in creeks and normally dry washes is imminent or occurring. Additional details: minus at 8:20 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Between 0.75 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Minus this includes the following creeks, washes and rivers: Willow Creek, West Chevelon Canyon, Alder Creek, Chevelon Canyon and Wildcat Canyon. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 0.75 inches are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Minus some locations that will experience flooding include Forest Lakes, Crook CG, Muggy Owen CG, Woods Canyon Lake, Sinkhole CG, Christopher Creek, Willow Springs Canyon Lake, Hunter Creek, Hagler Creek, Colcord Ridge CG, Horton Springs, Tonto Creek Waterfalls, Diamond Butte, Fort Apache Reservation, Crook Campground, Muggy Owen Campground, Rim Campground and Woods Canyon Lake Campground. Minus this includes State Route 260 between mile markers 271 and 289. Minus visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for more information on flood safety. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Get out of washes and creeks if you are camping or hiking. Flooding is occurring or imminent and will inundate creeks and washes. Repeating, a flood advisory has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Gila, Arizona. The official NOAA National Weather Service forecast for northern Gila County, including the cities of Payson, Strawberry, and Young. Tonight, mostly cloudy. A chance of thunderstorms